Hello, we're working on 5.1, this first example, and we have to graph this equation using the given domain. So it's a linear equation, x to the first, and they asked us using the given domain. So our domain, if you recall, is the x values that we're going to be using. So we're going to be using these x values, substituting that x value in to our linear equation, and getting the corresponding y value, which will give us a point to graph. So our x values that we want to work with, -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. Now when it asks for work, it wants us to show how we substitute our chosen x values into our linear equation. So 1/2, we chose to use -2 first, plus 2. So 1/2 of -2 is a -1, plus the 2 more gives us a resulting value of 1. So that when x is -2, y is 1. Now we do that for all of our x values, find the corresponding y value given this linear equation. So once again, 1/2, substitute -1 in for x, plus 2. Got a fraction. No problem. -1/2 plus 2, resulting value 1/2, also written as 3/2. That's supposed to be a 2. Now, when x is 0, substituting that into my linear equation, when x is 2, when x is 0, y is 2. I was already thinking ahead. When x is 1, let's substitute that in. And I get 2.5. Written as a fraction, that is 5/2. And finally, for the last domain or x value that we are given when x is 2, substitute that in for x into our linear equation. We get 1 plus 2, which is equal to 3. To graph a linear equation, we only have to have 2 points. So I'm going to take this first one up here. When x is -2, y is 1. And we'll just take this one here too. This is nice and easy. I have 5 different points I can use, but we'll just use these two. When x is 0, y is 2. Now let's put them on the coordinate plane. So when x is -2, y is 1. When x is 0, y is 2. Right? Only takes 2 points to make a line. So I am going to try to draw this fairly straight line. I have a straight edge here. Whoops. That did not work out so well the second time through. We'll just make it better. 2 points make a line. That did not work out well at all. Let me erase some of this. And let's try again. All right. Trying again. All right, 2 points. So when x is -2, y is 1. When x is 0, y is 2. I can graph more of our points, but at this point, I really just need 2 points to make a line. Something like this. Put my arrowheads on there to denote that it's a line, and it will go on and on forever. And now I have graphed y equals 1/2 x plus 2. I used my domain, plugged it in for x, found the corresponding y, and was able to graph my line. Yeehaw!